omo governor we county ya Kisii Moske Paul Simba Arati ni olitkoria rero aika bosio we kamati elie senate yobobagi ose devolution abo ase ange koiraneria amaborio igoro ya orobotiria omo senator we county ya Kisii aikanati asense Musakito Daniel Ontiri agotumanya
Nasoma bugane mo ime yumo chobo songo ase county ya Kisii. Asomo Senator Ibrahim Ali Roba we county ya Mandera uyuro monyakirgo we committee ye budget ye Senate wase Senate Standing Committee of Finance and Budget abo baikirina na gotuka igoro yobotenali we county ya Kisii. Ninjire county ya Kisii gotumeka chibese inse yoborai wae Moske Simba Arati.
To address the issue of pending bills, Kisii County government formed first Bills Committee through a Gazette Notice number 14/024 dated 11 November 2022 to review outstanding obligations for the year 2021 and 2022.
Ekamitiga nigo yarenge kuligiriria igoro yechibese cy'umwananchi wetera sebango ai county ya Kisii ingana igoro yechisira wose pending bills inchira chibese chigutumeka ne budget ye county amabolio Moskarati aro machibo busio ye committee yo.
Therefore, for purpose of paying what you have not done, I cannot pay. But any work done and the paperwork is proper or corrected, will pay.
Kwa na chinga kicho Roba nigakwanirega ngenene ye committee ga oteba obolingolia bwabase chi county tiboli obwage siasa na tiboli kweberekera nsemende onsi gose wanchiriria.
And we don't fit into anybody's expectation with respect to as to which side of political fit in terms of the political dynamics in a given county that we need to fit in. We have done what we are mandated to do as professionally as possible. Other issues surrounding events within the county that is political are issues that is not within our purview and we do not intend to be pulled into them.
Asoroboti rwe committee ga nigo bagokera inchira e county ya Kisii ebegetumokia aso gwakana madeni y'abanyakonda abo bakorete mirimo n'inchire county ya Kisii egutumeka chibese obulingolia bogokorwa botambe ne committee ga nkurubotere yataseni kegetembe kurega se county ya Kisii leterane nguruko Daniel Ontiri.